Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what are the examples of inflammatory arthritis? Okay. Examples of inflammatory arthritis are inflammation, so infectious causes like Neisseria meningitis or mycobacterium will result in inflammatory arthritis. Then crystal induced causes like gout and pseudo gout is responsible for inflammatory arthritis. Then immune mediated conditions. In immune mediated conditions we have rheumatoid arthritis, which is associated with inflammatory arthritis, or systemic lupus erythematosus, or we have reactive arthritis, or we also have one more, which is in reactive arthritis we have two diseases, like it can be either rheumatic fever or Retter's syndrome. So all these are the cause examples of inflammatory arthritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.